There's a cow making my breakfast. So, as you can see, needless to say.
What did you just say?
I know, that's what I'm wondering.
So, as you can see, is that what you said?
So needless to say, as you can see, that's like a tongue twister. We're not gonna be going outside. It is a blizzard, winter storm.
I want to go get my library book.
8 to 12 inches. Are you kidding me? That means they have to snow blow, guys. Kristen is making the grilled romaine that you guys saw in yesterday's vlog.
So you already know what
don't know what. I don't know what I'm gonna think about it. I'll let you guys know. It's gonna be up in the air, so we'll keep you updated on that. Unless you want to know how to make it, maybe we'll have a little how-to right now.
So I put sesame seeds in the bottom of the pan, coconut oil, and some pecans because my mom suggested adding nuts. So I'm gonna do that. So after you grill it, you put it on the plate. You grill it for about 2 minutes. Blueberries are really good.
Dinner is served.
It's lunch.
Lunch for us. Actually, it's breakfast, but thank you.
You're welcome. I want to film you trying it.
Well, it's just like salad, so.
Yeah, but it's soggy salad and it's warm. What do you think?
Eh.
He doesn't like it. And I'm nursing a baby.
And she's nursing a baby.
Are you happy because you got some milk? Yeah.
That's gonna do it for us.
I want to say hi to The Waffles Are Here. Thanks for always commenting on our videos. We really like it and enjoy interacting with you. Who else do we like chatting with?
KJS, King Jamster on Twitter. He's fun to talk to.
We got a few people who keep on commenting, and we really like it. We appreciate it. We appreciate the support and positivity. And if you would like us to shout you out, then say so in the comments.
One more. Kate, one of our Facebook friends, one of our friends in real life. Not that that makes you any more special, but...
Aw, she's special.
Yeah.
But she gave us some things that she likes and doesn't like. Oh, no, nothing that she doesn't like.
No, yeah. She gave us some ideas for videos to continue making and
told us what she likes, and she loves Hazel. And
making.
She also shared our video on her own personal Facebook page, so thank you. And our sister-in-law, or my sister-in-law, Sean's sister, Jenny, also shared on her Facebook page, and so we appreciate that.